video I'll be showing you to face tracking on new video. Now you have to click on this setting. Now you have to go to in privacy. Once you are in the privacy, you just have to reach this point here, microphone and camera input, where you can have to enable the camera input to get face tracking. As you can see, it says that this the Roblox will use your camera to animate your avatar with your movement by enabling this. So you just need to tap on or click on this permission to enable or to allow Roblox to your camera on your device to animate your avatar with your movement. So once you enable it, and also it says that the green dot indicates the Roblox is using a camera. So once you enable this, guys, you just need to come out of this and look for any game that supports camera communication, because those game will support face tracking. So please donate is one of those games. So you just need to open this game to play. Now the game, guys, now you have to tap on this or click on this video icon to get face tracking, and you can see that this green dot shows that Roblox is using a. So you have to make sure that this green dot is showing in your face cam. So as you can see, and if I'm moving my head, you can see that it's tracking finely and working completely. So you just uh, make sure that this green dot is showing. And if I enable my voice, so I have to increase my volume from here. So as you can see, so it's not working because of a stable microphone, or my video recorder is basically using a microphone. So I that might be the case. Roblox not being able to use my microphone. So right it is using our camera, as you can see. So yeah, hope you like it. That's how you can enable face tracking. Thanks for watching, and bye bye. This is a complete and huge thing.